Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren. I'm already sweaty because it is so humid outside today, but I wanted to give you a quick garden tour update. Things are actually starting to grow. I think we fixed the problem, so I want to show you. I'm not sure what this is, but it has really pretty flowers when it blooms. It might be a weed, but I like it, so it's staying. The watermelon vine is starting to get some little buds. The tomato area that I gave up on actually has, you can see over here, little tomatoes. And look at this. They're even red. Got some more growing there. And then look at my tomatillos. There are so many. I'm so excited. Look in here. Tomatoes. Oh my goodness. And look here. Tomato. 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 It's kind of hard to see, but like right there. I have some peppers that are looking good and healthy. My horseradish came back. It kind of had some transplant shock when I uprooted it to fix the soil. My rhubarb looks good. My strawberries are doing great. I just picked a few. The gladiolus may be done for the season, but man, they had a lot of flowers. Over here, I've got my dahlias that still haven't bloomed. My zinnias are still going. They're kind of small, but that's okay. Bruno's being Bruno. And then here are my yard-long beans that are still producing bean pods, and all the ones that I took off that were brown and just let compost in place are now growing brand new bean stalks. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get a lot more. Oh look, there's even some down there. Oh my goodness. I'm hoping I'll get a lot more green beans before the weather turns. This tomato plant had a tomato on it. I already ate it, but they're getting nice and big. Those are my hollyhocks. Here's my Meyer lemon. It's still green, still looks like a lime, but look how big that is in my hand. This is amazing. Not everything is thriving, but that is okay. So I think I finally fixed the mulch problem. I removed it, added compost, and topped it with straw. Ooh, I'm about to get some cherry hot peppers. Those are my favorite. I believe this was eggplant and basil. I'm gonna have to harvest some of the basil. It looks fabulous. My nasturtium is coming back. My marigolds over there look great. My red currant bush is not so happy, but the strawberries are good. The golden raspberry is going that way now. But the other berry bushes look like they are bouncing back a little bit. I have dill and thyme coming through. A little cucumber plant might make it. And over here, I've got some little cabbage heads. I think this was maybe broccoli, cauliflower, something like that. These cabbages are, look, this one's actually starting to get maybe a little head of cabbage in there. Oh yeah, they're all starting to get little hearts. How cool. So yeah. Guys, I don't think the garden was a total failure. We're actually starting to get some things. That's exciting. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that very quick garden tour. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more, and I hope to see you next time. Have a good one. Bye, guys.